Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm glad to be the host for yet another interesting hackathon workshop as part of the Web3 Hackathon, and I hope we're all excited to start. We'll get going in just a second. I hope everyone's having a good morning. I'm glad to see everyone here. I hope we're ready for another interesting workshop, and sorry that today you'll be stuck with me, not Clara as usual. But again, I'm sure by the end of the hackathon, you'll probably look back on this workshop as a refreshing break, as you'll be seeing her for the rest of the remaining sessions. I hope everyone has had the chance to get started with maybe building or ideating still and got some interesting projects in mind. Today, I'm excited to announce that we'll be joined by Ekaterina from the Gateway FM team, who I'll be introducing to the stage to give a workshop on transitioning from EVM-Based L1 to L2 using Presto. I'll bring her up promptly so we can get started right away.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yes, I can hear and see you just fine.
Hi, my name is Ekaterina. Today I will be presenting how actually to migrate your smart contracts for EVM-based L1 to L2. Mostly we'll be talking about ERC20 tokens. And now I will share my screen. Let me know if you can see my presentation.
Yes.
Yeah, and some words about me. I have more than 15 years experience in tech, has been working in different domains such as embedded systems, automotive, has been working for the project for infotainment system for Daimler, started journey in blockchain in 2021, always exploring technical solutions and different new protocols coming to blockchain, interesting use cases. In my free time, when I have free time, I have interest in BCI. Some words about Gateway. Gateway has a headquarters and was established in Norway. We have strong technical team with deep knowledge of blockchain technology. We work remotely. We have been audited by PwC, and we are a finalist in the Nordic Startup Awards. And what we will be talking today about, first I will provide some overview of Presto, main features, discuss why actually we need transition to L2. I guess many of you know already why. And then we will focus on different scenarios of migration. First scenario, smart contract has no user integration, then smart contract, particular ERC20 standard token migration, when there has been user integration with the smart contract, and then non-standard extended ERC20 smart contract migration. I will just briefly explain how to do this, but it requires like full-time workshops for the third scenario, so stay tuned for other workshops. What actually is Presto? Presto is a platform as a service that help you to create your own zkRollups just in 4 clicks with all the infrastructure. So it's not only RAS, it's a platform. So you will have all the integration you need, bridges, block explorers, then integration with MetaMask, Hardhat, and we also do for paid solutions some custom integrations. Why we actually need L2? I guess many of you know already that the main blockchains network traffic increases on the main blockchains. It leads to significant delays, and the cost for transaction increases, and blockchain rollups, they consolidate multiple transactions processing and do this off-chain and only forwarding the resultant data to the root chain, and this enhance the throughput and reduce the cost. So simply saying, they relocate computation from L1 to L2, and the zkRollups chain operates as a protocol layered on top of the root blockchain. Now the main functionality of Presto. So Presto is creating zk EVM rollup powered by Polygon. So we use Polygon CDK. So you can choose between 2-layer 1 Gnosis or Ethereum. Then you need to choose the location, and then choose the tokenomics. Now we support default gas token and gasless. Gasless, it means that for users of your dApp, the transaction will be free, but you will pay the fees on a layer 1 as the owner of this rollup. In such a simple way, you have the zk EVM rollup, and when it will be active, it means that it's deployed. And now the core features, as we are saying, it's a platform as a service, so you have all the integrations in place. So here you have integration with MetaMask. You can add this chain to your MetaMask. It will be as your separate blockchain, your own blockchain. Then you can download hard hat configuration. Then you will see all the RPC information. Then you can copy easily. Yeah, that's we had a strong focus on UI UX of our platform, so it will be easy to use it without knowing all the difficult, complicated technology that are used on the behind it. So we integrated Block Scout as a block explorer. So you can see the main information about your chain. Integration with UI coming soon, and you can use Facet. This could be useful for the hackathon, so you can send to your address some test is. So we provide it in our platform, so it will be easy to start building with our solution. And the benefits of layer 2 created with our platform, it's zk EVM rollup, meaning that it is EVM compatible. We integrated bridging to from Ethereum and Gnosis. As I mentioned, we support 2 L1s now, Ethereum and Gnosis. So you can build rollup on top of these root chains. We have near instant transaction confirmation, about 200 milliseconds. It's secure, scalable, and trusted by recognized players in Web3. zk EVM Rollups has diverse applications, the same as any blockchain, so you can create any dApp in any domain, NFT markets, DeFi, healthcare, pharmacy. We provide currently these options: zk EVM Validium, proofs on L1 recommended for testing and simple games. For this hackathon, the free solution is zk EVM Validium on testnet. For paid solution, we have mainnet and these three options: Validium plus data availability. When the data availability is sent to other blockchain, now we're working with Near. And zk EVM rollups when proofs and data availability is sent on L1. We have, as it is platform, so we have integrations with recognizable partners in Web3, Safe, Block Scout, Near, Redstone, Dora, and others, and we always growing. This solution is already a working solution. It has been implemented in Palm NFT Studio, Gnosis Pay, Polygon Test, Wirex, IDEX, HiCom, and many others, and many discussions is in our pipeline. Gateway started as a RPC provider, so we have already proven track records working with a lot of known companies in Web3. As I mentioned, I think the Presto as Web3 lies in these three things, like scalability, seamless integration of complex blockchain technology, and strong focus on UI UX. This will help with mass adoption of Web3. Now we will concentrate on different scenarios that I mentioned. First scenario, when you have smart contract that has no user integrations or no user integration. This means that nobody interacted with your smart contract and you want to reload the blockchain from zero. So you simply can deploy the same smart contract to L2, and you can use the same tools as for EVM-based blockchain. So here I can show the example. So we take a simple, we will deploy simple ERC20 token with hardhat. First we deploy it to Sepolia just to showcase. This is simple ERC20 token. I named it future token. We deployed it to this address in hardhat, and then you can see that it's deployed. We can go to MetaMask and verify that we deployed this token and add this token manually here. Import token, add address simply, and you see it was this amount of future tokens. And then you can simply deploy the same smart contract with hardhat to your L2. First, create your own L2. As I showed, it's very simple to create your own blockchain. Then you can go and download hardhat config. So everything will be pre-set up for you. So you don't need to put all this populate all this configuration file for hardhat. It's already done for you. Yeah, this is if you're creating the gas standard token. I mean, creating rollup with standard tokenomics, then you need to send you some ETH tokens so the smart contract could be deployed. So you need gas for this. So then you just send you. So, and then you will see that you can now deploy your smart contract to L2. It's deployed to L2. So you deployed the same smart contract to your L2, just created with Presto. You can check it in your integrated block scout, integrated for your L2 block scout. So it's such an easy way to deploy just the same smart contract to our L2. But it's only if there were no interaction for your DApp using this smart contract. If there was interaction, then you can just simply use our built-in bridge for ERC20 tokens. Oh, sorry, it was some. This one. So you can use a standard bridge. So if you has this token on L1, then you can migrate it from L1 to L2. First, you need to add this token by address. So you just add the address on L1 where this token has been deployed, and then in the bridge functionality, it will automatically show all the information for this, and then you can just simply transfer it to L2. So we transferred these future tokens that were deployed on Ethereum to our disk blockchain created via Presto. And then, yeah, you can see that now I choose our blockchain network. Yeah, just need to copy this. I'm just showing that it's deployed on L2 in Block Scout. Yeah, and we adding it to our L2. Then we can see that one is on our L2, transfer from L1. And non-standard smart contract migration, for non-standard smart contract migration, when I mean non-standard, when ERC20 token has extended fields, you should deploy it's to the same address as an L1 to the same address on L2, and use create2, but it's require more time, this special case, so we will go through it in our workshop from Gateway a bit later. And thank you for your time. Today we have discussed 3 case scenarios of smart contract migration, and by using Presto solutions, you can navigate the complexities of transitioning from EVM-based L1 to L2. And thank you for joining us. Now, if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer.
So if anyone has questions, just post them in chat. think there's a question from, two questions, one from Amine from a little bit earlier.
How can we manage the token, including aspects like liquidity pool management in the context of building the app social media platform? Additionally, I am to reward the first 1,000 users of the platform with the native token. What would be the best approach to achieve this? I think you can use your, if I understood right, your token, and you can deploy your own token and use it in your dApp. If you already if you have already a smart contract, I assume it will be ERC20 token. And then you can just simply deploy the same token to L2, or if the users has been interacting with this token, then you can bridge this token from L1 to L2 simply with our built-in bridge. And is there developer documentation? Yes, we have documentation here, and soon we will launch a new UI with a bit more functionality and customizations, because now we have, for our clients, we have more than 35 plus custom options. And it will be a bit different UI, but currently you can use this docs Presto gateway.fm documentation, where we showing how-tos step by step, how to deploy your token, how to download. I mean, it's a simple documentation, but you can refer for the platform overview. And if you have questions related to the platform, or you faced some issues, you can always ask in our Discord or during this hackathon. So you can ask here in Encode. So we will answer. We have a dedicated channel. So you can ask us, and we will answer quickly. I have token, and it is already deployed, traded several weeks. I want to bridge it to L2 to have trades on both L1 and L2. I go to Presto, create L2, provide their S to the L2 token, bridging part of tokens from L1 to L2. No, yes, it's like this. If you already, so it means that the integrations you have already interacted with ERC20 smart contract, and you can go just to our bridge and then add your token to L1. It means just if you know where it has been deployed, your smart contract, then you add this address to bridge. Here I showed. I can send you. So I think it's required a bit more. Is it possible, Patrick? Is it possible to send my presentation to the Encode?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we can have that. Do you want me to share that as well?
Yeah, so it will, because there you can see exactly how to add your token. You just need address where the smart contract has been deployed on L1, and add this address to the bridge functionality, and then this token will be added to the bridge, and then you can choose this token and then transfer the amount you want. You can choose, you can transfer not the all tokens, just special amount to L2.
Yeah, okay, I can share that to the Discord as well. Yeah, that's great. There's also a couple of questions in the questions tab, if you can see there.
Yeah. Question time. Does Presto offer process to adhere to regulatory requirements and compliance standards when handling financial? This is for paid solution. Yes, of course, if we are working with known Web3 companies on the mainnet, we have integration with KYC, AML procedure, yes, and audit as well. We have partners that help us with audits, but for the hackathon, we use testnet. So for testnet, we will not include these integrations, but for paid solutions, yes, of course, all the procedures we have, and we have we has partnership with Fractal ID, so we have all these procedures for mainnet. And if you are interested in paid solution and in mainnet, you can contact our BizDev team, so they can provide you more extended information about different options, because there are different custom solutions. You can choose what partners you would like to have integration with. And if you're interested, you can go to our website, just write in our chat. We have a chat on Presto and on our main gateway.fm. And there you can ask questions, and our BizDev will answer them regarding the different custom solutions and paid if it's related to mainnet. How does Presto assure seamless compatibility and migration of existing smart contracts and decentralized application from L1 to L2? As I was showing today, you can just, if there were no interaction with your smart contract, you can just simply deploy with Hardhead the same smart contract to L2. So you use the same smart contract and just deploying it to L2. You don't need any alteration in terms of tools, in terms of language, mostly using Solidity. If you're using Solidity, then just deploy this Solidity smart contract to L2. If there were interaction, then you can just bridge. And for bridging, it's related to ERC20 token. For deploying the smart contract without no interaction, you can deploy any smart contract to L2, the same contract for L1. But if you want to transfer the information, then and the smart contract has users, then it's only for ERC20, and there is a possibility for NFT, but it's a bit more complicated. We will discuss it on the other workshops. So stay tuned for other 2 workshops. It's how migrate extended ERC20 and NFT. So ERC 721. And for ERC20, you, as I told today, you can just deploy the same smart contract or bridge if it is ERC20. So you can just bridge and use our built-in bridge. If you have,
if there are any final questions or more questions, then again, feel free to keep asking.
You can tag me in. I think there is my in Discord, and yeah, I have email Ekaterina@gateway.fm. So I am the person who will be helping with questions during the hackathon. So on the Encode, the gateway channel, you can ask everything that is related. If I couldn't answer, then our other engineers can answer.
I'll just paste that channel in chat for everyone now.
Yeah, you can use it. Solidity is like the main language that is mostly used in for writing smart contracts. And that is why I showed for like example for standard ERC20 token. So you can, it's easier to use it, but trust, of course. And regarding our bounties, I can share. Regarding the bounties, we would like to create some DApp that use Presto, zkEVM-Rollup created via Presto and Advanced Oracle. On this channel, I already sent the a guide how to use Oracle. Oracle help you to provide exchange rates for these currencies. So you can download with this QR code, you can be redirected to this guide. And for our bounty, just any DApp that use zkEVM-Rollup with Presto and Advanced Oracle, and the price pool is $1,000, and it will be divided between all the, not all the submissions, between 10 submissions. If it will be less, then it will be all the price pool divided between all these submissions. Thank you very much for your time, and wishing all the participants good luck.
Thank you for the presentation and the Q&A. That was great. I hope everyone's been motivated to start building if they haven't been already. And yeah, thanks everyone for joining.
Yeah, thank you. Have I been sharing my presentation the last
Share, you stopped a little bit earlier. You're trying to share now?
No. I'm just about the bounty. Have you seen the presentation about the bounty?
No. You can share your screen again now to show that? Yeah,
I think because now I see that it was not shared. So here, yeah, our bounty. So you can create any DApp with Presto Pass and Advanced Oracle, and here the QR code that you can scan to go to the how-to guide. Yeah, now I shared, right?
Yes. Hopefully everyone had time to scan that. Thank you again. And again, everyone, if you have any questions, you can use the Discord channel that I posted earlier. Make sure to have a look at the bounties and the hacker pack, and I'll be sharing the slides quite shortly, I imagine sometime later today. Thank you again.
Thank you. Have a good day. And if you have questions, ask questions in the channel. Would be happy to answer.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.